everybody, it's Meg here from 12inkypawprints.blogspot.com, and today I'm super excited to share with you the April 2019 Club La La Land Crafts Club Kit. It's the 16th, and usually my reveal is on the 15th. I was ill and not at home yesterday, so I wasn't able to share this with you, so I'm popping in today to tell you all about this month's kit. So this month's kit theme is Paris, and don't you think that's super appropriate with what just happened to that gorgeous Notre Dame Cathedral? I watched the burning happen in real time, and it was just so grievous to me. So I can't imagine how people in Paris must feel, but I think that our kit this month is a wonderful way to show that we are with the people of Paris, and with what happened, that we show our sadness for it as well. So I just said the kit this month, the theme is Paris, and of course when we think about Paris we have to have beret hats and poodles, and that's exactly what we've got in this month's kit. So we've got 2 stamp sets and 3 dies in the kit. The value on the kit is approximately $70. The value on the kit is far exceeds the price on the kit. The price on the kit is $39.99 for stamps and dies. And let me show you a little bit about the kit before I go into any more details about that. So here is our Mercy stamp. Let me get her. The sun is starting to set here today. Here's her beret, and she's got her little purse. The sentiments say, "From Paris with love," and it's a good day to have a good day. I think it's just a perfect set. And my poodle set, 3 different poodles. Oops, 3 different poodles. They all are doing different things. One of them has a little neckerchief, one of them has a little bow, one of them is laying down. And the sentiments on this stamp set are ooh la la, sending oodles and poodles of love. And today is going to be possum and bonjour. However you say that. I can't speak French. I already had cut that piece out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sentiments in this stamp set. One thing that's really special about these stamps is that once you remove the backer, this foam can stick right to the thank you sheet that Irina has put inside your kit. So that's a great way to keep your stamps all in one place, and so that you don't lose anything. That's the stamps. Here are our dies. Look at this neat Paris stamp. Isn't that die? Isn't that cool? The eye is oh no, our friend Pearl is back. Once again, my Siamese is making an appearance in this month's video. I'll try to move her out of the way. Maybe she'll get bored in a minute. Okay, so let's start again. So the eye is a wonderful, I don't know, it's not called a lighthouse. What is it? A candlestick? I don't really know. It's a street light. There we go. And the A is the Eiffel Tower. So that A can double as an A, or it can double as the tower itself, and you wouldn't even know it's an A, which is really pretty neat. We also have a diamond reverse die, and what that means is a lot of these pieces get cut out into the paper. So you want to use you can use the little diamonds that get cut out individually. Here's an example of one. Let me see if I can grab it. Oops, there you go. It's pretty tiny. But you can also use what's left behind to make a background. I'll show you that in a minute. And then my personal favorite die this month is this little rosettes, and I'll show you how detailed those are in a minute. Okay, so that's the kit. I'll go into pricing and all that stuff in a moment. Pearl, out of the way, honey. Right now I'm going to show you a couple different projects I made with this stuff. So first of all those poodles. Let's see if I can get my cat to move. Come on, you're in the light. Go, 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 go. Go. Well, hopefully that'll work for now. Okay, so here are a couple poodles. Here's the From Paris with Love sentiment. And what I did is I didn't really glue these down because I wanted to be able to show you them up close. That's the detail in that rose die. It's really fun to sponge on some color with ink, and you can just make that die really just gorgeous. Here's the tower, the Eiffel Tower, from the Paris die. See, it looks just like the tower, not an A. You can see in the back, those diamonds. That's our reverse die. And I've used some existing, some actually newer in the shop oval dies as well from our most recent release from La La Land Crafts. So that's that sample. And then my favorite sample for this month uses my Marcy in her pigtails. I had to make her in pink. It was either pink or red, and pink won because I wanted to use this kind of trolley, the little bus background paper. So I used Marcy to be the A, and I used the A, the Eiffel Tower, as a background. Here's the rosettes again, and you can't see much of the background, the diamond die I've got in the background there. But here's the Bonjour Sentiment. It went really perfectly with our postage stamp dies that are in the shop. But here's Marcy up close. I think she's a total sweetheart. So that's what I've got for you for this month. Let me go into a bit about the pricing so you know why I do this and why this club kit is such a deal and a steal, actually. So, value on the kit I told you is about $70. Price on the kit is $39.99. At a minimum, the amount you save every month on this kit is 40% off of retail. So, as you know, even with sales, most companies aren't going to give 40% off. I mean, so it's an incredible buy to be able to get products that are exclusive to the Club Kit members for 6 months to an entire year at 40% off. It's just a really wonderful deal. I was part of the Club Kit for a while before I ever got on the design team. I believe in these products. I've never been disappointed before with a kit that Irina has released. She is so creative and so fun, and I just think that if you give this club a shot, that you would really like it. I'm going to put below the video a link for subscription information if you would like to learn more about subscribing and what that entails. There are no terms. It is a monthly subscription, so once you subscribe, every month you'll receive a kit. You can cancel at any time. You won't want to, but you can. And there are also options for kits for buying only stamps or only dies if you might be interested in that. So check the link below, and if you give one of these projects a try, I would really love to hear about it. So leave me a comment below, or at the end of the video, I'm going to also put my blog address on there. Would love to connect with you via my blog, or on here on YouTube, or even through Facebook. So I hope to hear from you soon, and I will be back with more projects from La La Land Crafts and Club La La Land Crafts to share with you. Bye!